Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and as you see here, what the market done for us here in the zone. Yesterday in the last video here, we told you there is a big pushing up. Then that candle here, look at it. It came till here. Then after that, now it's showing a rejection. Let's zoom it a little bit for the picture to be more clear to you guys. As you see it, it came till here. Then now it's showing here a rejection. And it's going to give us here a pin bar. By the way, the daily candle, it hasn't finished it. So that one maybe is going to change by the end of the day. But till now, also we're analyzing what the market giving us here and here. Look with me here in my chat what I got me. For the picture to be more clear to you guys, let's zoom it a little bit like that. So as you see here, that yellow level here I got that one here. When it came to it, the market, it gave us here a pin bar, and that pin bar, look where it is. Is it at that level here and the top of that channel? That one, as you see it, that channel, look at it, it's being touched here and it touched here. And now it's being touched again. So what that indicating to you guys? It's indicating there is no power to push up higher, guys. And me, I show it to you before. I told you, look at it here. Look at it here. And look now. Now we are very close, guys. Either to break higher or to break for us that supply and demand zone as we got down here. And by the way, some people, they told me the volume is not high compared to the other ones. So also we're still in a very criteria place. We need to wait in. It's not yet, guys. It's not yet. That was me. I've been telling you all the time. And here, look with me. Let me show it to you. Here, what did I told you? I told you there is no entry unless if it's breaking for us here. Yes or no? Look at that. It came just next to that level here. Then it's showing a rejection, guys. Also, we are going to enter in the daily unless if it's breaking here in that zone. If it doesn't, there is no entry, guys. There is no entry in the daily. I'm talking here about the daily for long-term investing. There is no entry, guys, and it's left only 2 days now for the weekly candle to finish it. So I'm going to come back to you. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? I'm talking to you. Yes, you watching me now. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day, guys, we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. Every day, 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be updated from professional people about the Bitcoin market, what it's doing right now, guys. And believe me, you're learning from professional people. That's the job of them. Also, we earn a living from trading, not from YouTube or something, guys. It's very simple. A red button down, click at it. You're going to become subscriber. Next to it, a bell, turn it to all. So like that, you will become subscriber. And every time when also you put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment. So in Telegram, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. Now let me show you my indicators, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, as you see it, guys, it came here. Last video, we used to be here in the trend line, but the close, it doesn't come there. Look at it where it go back. It go back here to that zone. Now also we are here in that wall. Now either from here to fall down again, or either from here to go up and to break for us here. Also we're still waiting, guys. There is nothing to rush for. That trading, guys, and that investment, you need to take your time. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. That one, if you remember what else we said, we used to said we have here a divergence like that and like that, all those times, guys, and we said we have another divergence here, all those things we said it. And look here, guys, we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, and people decide the volume because they never trade. Sorry for that, but look here, do you see any volume here? Where is the big volume? The big volume is happening here. That's it, that's the only place. The rest, there is no volume here. All of it is equal here. Yes or no? Yes, sometimes it spike like that, but compared to the rest, it's the same. The only times here, when it's spiking the volume is here. Look, you came like that, you draw in a line like that. Where is the volume spike? It spike here and here. That's it. Those ones, the only places when it's fall down, guys. Here, there is no big buying happening here. Or that last candle here. And here, in the daily, guys, what I told you if it doesn't break here, also we are not going to enter, and it doesn't, guys. That pin bar is showing there is nothing yet. That was me. I told you those ones, they are just oscillators, guys. They are just oscillators, guys. They are not working all the times. The only thing will work is the price action. That way me, I told you the price action, when it's breaking us, we are going to enter. If it doesn't, us, we are not going to enter, guys. Remember my word. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours for the pictures to be more clear to you guys. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. In the 4 hours was me, I told you in the last video. Here, you used to have here a channel, yes or no? Like that. It came down, he touched it here, then that candle here, it's breaking. From that candle here, me, I told you to enter long, yes or no? From that one. Look what it done now. It came up, that one. It's breaking the 200 moving average. Then now it's back inside, yes or no? But look at that volume here, guys. Here in the 4 hours is not bigger like those ones, those green ones. That means the buyers, they still powerful compared to the sellers, yes or no? And that candle here, that one, it's left for it 1 hour now. Let's see how it's going to finish. I'm going to come back to update you when the daily candle finish it. That's why me, I told you every time, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification so we update you every time what's happening to the market. And here, look at the 200 moving average, guys, what it's telling you. Look at that. It's very, very, very flat. And that candle here, or that wave, or that rally here, it couldn't give you another high than the previous one, that one, yes or no? Look at that. He came up till here, but he couldn't come higher and give you another high. That's how you're going to know the trend is changed, not just because you enter from here to here. Here in the 4 hours, us we enter from here, from that candle. Us now we are in profit, and my view to it, I think, is going to go higher. So let's wait a little bit, then we're going to come to update you guys. And you using the stop loss, I told you to put it down here. Now you can even make it here, down in that candle here, that one. Even if it fall down, you will not lose that much, guys. Everything is too clear here, guys. Now let me show you my indicators, what the same for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, I know you are a subscriber. Did you smash the like button? Go ahead and do it, my friend. Help us, please. Smash the like button, writing down a comment. You know that channel without you guys, it's kind of growing up. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Let's go now to see our other indicators, what they're saying, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, last video, we been here. I told you to enter long from here. Look till where it go, till here. But as I told you, he couldn't give you another high than that one. Yes or no? Look at that. It came here, then he show here a rejection. Now either from here, from that wall we have here, to go back and to give us another high, and that is going to be the best scenario, or from here where we are here to go back inside. And if it go back inside, also we're going to close the buy, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Let me show you our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, guys, if you remember from here, I told you when it's breaking that price action we used to have here, that channel we used to have here, I told you to enter. We enter here. Now look where we are here in our indicator. We are in the middle, and the price here is it at the 200 moving average. Should you sell now? No, my friend. Should you buy? No. It's too late. Now look where we are. Look here, if we bring in that one like that, what you see? You are in that trend line, guys. The down trend lines. Or the top of that triangle, that one, as we said before. Look at that. You are in it. Now, if it's breaking here, guys, there is a going up till here, till that level. If it doesn't go back down, that's another story, guys. Everything is too clear. Remember it, guys. If it's breaking here, the top of that triangle is going to go till here, till the last peak here. Did it break? Not yet, guys. I'm going to come back to you when the daily candle finishes, and I'm going to update you guys. If it's breaking here, believe me, it's going to go till here, guys, till 25k. Till now it's still early here. Everything is too clear, guys, here. And also we enter from here, guys. Also now we are in profit. Yes or no? Also we enter from here. We are in profit now. I told you to move the stop loss a little bit higher and to leave it either to break for us higher. We're going to look at those places that the first target, second target, is it here. If it doesn't, it's okay. We need to accept it the rest, guys. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes. By the way, you don't smash the like button. Go ahead and do it, my friend. Go ahead and do it. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment, helping us, guys. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Let's go now to 30 minutes to see what is it there, guys. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. 30 minutes, if you remember from here. What else we said? Same thing like the 4 hours. We used to have here a channel like that. Yes or no? When it's breaking here, also we enter. The last video used to be here. I told it give you a small triangle. It's breaking higher, guys. What it giving you here? Look, here, and here. And you add to it even that one. What that one, guys? That's a head and shoulder. Yes or no? What is the lower of it? Is that one. If it came down and breaking for us the 200 moving average, guys, that one down will enter short again. If it doesn't, it means it will go higher more, guys. You need to make a close eye at here. Here in 30 minutes, there is no entry, guys. Unless if it's breaking the 200 moving average, you can enter short, take profit of you. It needs to be down here. But till now, there is nothing confirmed, guys. It's left for it some time to fall down. And our indicator, as you see it, guys, we are at the overbought area. Everything is too clear, guys, here. I'm going to come back to you when the daily candle finishes, guys. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification and smash the like button, helping us. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So that's it for that video, guys. See you in the daily candle finish it. Bye for now, guys.